Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to do basic CapCut edits with just your smartphone, okay? So trust me, you do not want to skip this video. Okay guys, let's dive in. So guys, the first thing to do is to open up your CapCut app, which you've already downloaded. So now this is the interface you're going to be having once you open up your CapCut app. Then you're going to tap on new project, and then you're going to import whichever video you want to edit. So for me, this is the video I want to edit, and so I'm going to go ahead to add it. Now once I add it, I'm going to scroll down. As I scroll down, I'm going to see this CapCut mark at the end of the video, which I do not want, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it because I do not want it showing at the end of my video. So guys, the next thing we have to do is to edit our videos. As we can see down below, we have diverse options. So now the next thing to do is to edit. Now once I tap on these edit options, I'll see split. Now I'm going to go ahead to split my videos so I can be able to add transitioning effects to whichever point I want. So now I've splitted here, and I'm going to go ahead to split here. Now this splitting has divided my videos into sections, as you can see, which is being demarcated by this whitish stuff. Now once I tap on that whitish stuff, I'm going to come over to this part where I have overlay, camera light effects, blur, glitch, and all that. So I'm going to come over to camera, and I have shake pulling. Once I tap on pulling, this is what I have. Then I can go ahead to increase the timing, increase it, and the more I increase it, the lesser the timing of the effect becomes, as you can see. So we have diverse effects you could play around with. Okay, so that's how you can do it. You can apply it to all clips, and this is what you're gonna have. Let's see. My effect has been added one, and it has been added the second time. The next thing we're going to look at is how to increase the speed of our video. Now once I tap on this speed option, I'm going to have normal, curve, and velocity effects. Now once I tap on normal, I'll see going back to 0.1x and increasing. So now once I reduce this, it slows down the speed of my video. Now let's see what this effect would give us. Can you see how it has slowed down the speed of my video? It has really slowed down the speed of my video. So now I'm going to come back, and I'm going to increase the speed of my video. Now once I increase this speed of my video, maybe my video becomes so fast and it has actually reduced the length of my video. Now let's take a look at this. Can you see how fast my video moved? Very fast, because I literally increased the speed. So that's how the speed effect works. So I'm just going to go back and put it back on 1x. Yes, I have to go back and put it back on 1x so it can be normal. Guys, the next effect we're going to be looking at is the animations. Now this animations is just that effect that pops up at the beginning of your video. So you could see, most times you see in people's video, there's a dropping as if they are dropping, or there's a slight glitch just at the beginning of their video. So they got this using this animation effect, as you can see. So you can just tap on any of these effects and apply it to your video. Yeah, so that's basically how to use these animation effects. We have in, out, we have combo. So you just have to play around with these effects till you get your own desired results. Next is how to add effects to your video. Now once I tap on effects, I'm going to have video effects and body effects. Now on video effects, that's why I'm going to have all these options: mini zoom, blur, zoom lens, and opening and closing, night club. Yeah, so that's why I'm going to find diverse effects. So all you need to do is to pick whichever effect you want, apply it. Remember that our split divided our video into sections. So now we just have to pick effects for each section your video has been splitted into. Okay. Now the next feature we're going to be looking at is the enhanced voice feature. Now this enhanced voice feature helps to make your voice sound so clear as though you made your video in your studio, whereas you did not even use a microphone. But the thing about enhanced voice feature is that it's on a pro mode. It's a pro feature, but do not worry, I have a tutorial on how you can access CapCut Pro features for free. So I'm going to be leaving the link to that tutorial in the description box down below. It's a very good effect. It's a very good feature. The link would be in the description box down below. Okay, the feature we're going to be looking at is the retouch feature. Now this retouch feature enables us add facial edits to our face. So now once I tap on smooth and I increase it, you can see how smooth my face has become. So I'm going to reduce it because the effect is too much. I do not like it. So I'm just going to tap on apply to all. Once I tap on apply to all, it will be automatically applied to all clips. Then I'm going to go ahead to confirm. Now I'm going to come over to skin tone. All the skin tones are on pro and I cannot access it in this tutorial, but I have a tutorial on how you can access CapCut Pro features for free. Now I'm going to come over to the whitening effect. I'm going to increase it. My face has become so white, literally so white, and I do not want it, so I'm going to reduce it. Just reduce it because I don't want it. Then you can use the white teeth effect. You can just play around with these effects till you get your desired result, and you go ahead and take the good icon till you get what you want. Now the next thing is to tap on audio to add sounds. Now once you tap on sounds, you'll be able to access CapCut sound. So you could just go ahead and pick any sound you want. So let's say I want to use this sound. So you go ahead and tap on that plus icon and it has been automatically added, as you can see, to your video if you want to use that sound. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete it. Now for the brand and the copyright music, you need to be signed in, which I'm not signed in. Now for this sound fix, it's just adding sounds like click sounds to your videos. You just go ahead and pick whichever sound you want to add. So you just, let's say you want to add a sound, and just go ahead and add it, or you could search for any sound you want to use. So that's how this one works. Just search for any sound. Let's say I want to add a click sound. Yeah, so that's it. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete it. Another thing you could do is to extract sound. You could extract sound from an already existing video. So now once I tap on that, I'm going to pick any of my videos to extract sound from. Let's use this. So now I've added it. That's automatically been extracted. So that's basically how to add sounds to your video. Now for you to add voiceover, you have to delete this. Let's delete this extracted audio. Now once you delete this extracted audio, you tap on this record icon. Then you don't tap on this microphone icon showing over here. Once you tap on it or you long press on it, you go ahead and say whatever you want to say. You go ahead and make your voiceover and you save it. Then it's automatically saved. You've automatically done your voiceover. That's how to add voiceover using the CapCut app. Yeah, the next thing is how to add an overlay. Now the next thing to do is to tap on the overlay option down below, tap on add overlay, and you will pick any video you want to add. Any video. This is how you make a video with another video on top of your video. Yeah, so that's how you make those videos. So you can just go ahead and resize your videos. Then you have double videos ahead of each other. That's basically how you add overlays to your video using the CapCut app. Another feature we need to look out for in the CapCut app is how to add stickers. Now once I tap on stickers, I'm going to see all these stickers, and all these stickers are on Pro. Yeah, so I'm not going to use them. I'm just going to come over to emoji and I'm going to pick any emoji I want to use. Yeah, you can play around with any of these stickers, but I'm going to come over to emoji and I'm going to pick any emoji I want to use. So once I tap on the emoji, I'm just going to resize it and put it to whichever spot I want it to be. Then I'm going to elongate this emoji to the end of my video. You can elongate it to whichever part you want it to be on your videos. Now once I tap on this emoji, I'm able to edit my emoji. Then I'm going to go ahead and tap on animations. Now once I tap on animations, my emoji could bounce in, it could give me the spring effect, it could fade in, it could give me the mini zoom. So I'm just going to play around with this effect. So that's basically what you're going to do. You're going to play around with this effect till you get what you want. Now you can also add your photo as a sticker. All you need to do is to tap on that part where you have a picture and a plus sign down below, and you pick any photo from your gallery, because you're going to be brought to this interface. You pick any photo from your gallery, tap on it, and it will be automatically added to your video. So that's how you add that photo as your sticker as well. Another feature we need to look at is the adjust feature. Now once you tap on this adjust feature, you're going to be able to make necessary edits to your video. So you're going to just play around these edits. Okay, now once I increase the brightness, it becomes too bright. I just have to reduce it. I'm going to have the contrast effect. Now once I increase it, you can see what it's doing to my photo. I don't like it, so I have to reduce it till I get the desired result I want. Now we have the brightness. I'm going to increase the brightness a little. Now I'm going to increase the sharpening effect, and I'm going to increase the clarity effect as well. So you're just going to go ahead and play around with all these features. Just play around with all these features you can see here. That's what you're going to basically do. Play around with the brightening effects, all these features. That's just all you're going to do. Play around with all these features till you get whatever you want. Once you're done, you're just going to elongate this adjust effect till the very end of your video, or to the part where you want your video to be. Now you can see the difference between this. This has my edits, and this does not have my edits. So I'm just going to go ahead and elongate this effect at the very end of my video, or to wherever you want your video to be, to wherever you want that effect to be. Now once that's done, look at how my video, look at what I have here. It's so pretty and it's so nice. This is just a rough edit, but it is still pretty and nice. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead to download my video. Now once I come over to where I have 720, once I tap on it, I'm going to have other formats which my video can be downloaded in. I have 1080 pixel and I have 2K 4K. So I'm just going to pick whichever format I want my video to be downloaded in, and I'm going to go ahead and download my video. So guys, that's how to do basic CapCut edits. If you found this tutorial helpful, please do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye. Thank you.